How to add voice recording to Google Slides. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, without any delay, we are going to start with the process on how we can add voice recording to Google Slides. So let's just get started. For that, you can head over to your Google Slides. You can open up your presentation in which you want to add the voiceover to. So for that, we don't have the built-in feature for the Google Slides itself, so we need to go to an online voice recorder. You can head over to Google and type in that and click on the very first link. And you can use this microphone in order to record a video for yourself. And for that, first of all, you need to give access to your microphone from your computer. After you give access, you can select up the type of microphone you want. For example, default microphone. And once that is done, you can just go ahead and record up a audio for yourself. And once you have recorded the audio and started the audio and saved it onto your Google Drive, all you need to do is save it onto your Google Drive. After saving it on your Google Drive, you will be finding insert option in the top. Go ahead and tap on it and go to audio. And after you click on audio, it will lead you to your Google Drive. So you need to have your voice recording right here. You can use your voice recording, insert your voice recording from your Google Drive right under your sheets from your Google Slides. So that is how you add voice recording to your Google Slides very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you. And thank you for watching this video.